Hove Food and Drink Festival has become a very important festival in the city. We're one of the most sustainable festivals in the UK. We're a community interest company now, and Brighton has become a real capital for brilliant produce.
It's great for the people that produce things here, it's great for businesses like us, it's just a bit of exposure.
Provenance is obviously important. We only use the purest ingredients. It's all handmade. There's nothing mechanical. There's no automated processes, and it tastes great.
We're here selling our vegetables and selling the concept of having vegetables delivered in a box that we've grown locally.
For us, it's a really good opportunity to talk to people. We sell online a lot, so we don't get that person-to-person interaction and get to sort of give out samples and immediately see what people think of them.
We've already, met a bunch of people who wouldn't necessarily swing by any of the pubs that we sell at, and getting the name out there, getting people to taste the product, that's what it's all about.
I think it's critical to do it. A lot of people seem to know of us, but they haven't necessarily seen us or been to the vineyard, and they haven't necessarily drunk our wine, but they know of us, which is a start, but they need to go that extra step, to make it all worthwhile.
We have fantastic restaurants, and we have a lot of fantastic restaurants with great ethics. So you're going to get sustainably caught fish, and you're going to get locally produced vegetables and meat. I mean, you go to restaurants here, you're going to get Sussex cheeses, you're going to get South Downs lamb, you're going to get Sussex red beef. It's wonderful how the city has embraced that quality of cooking, that quality of food production.